Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the subject general knowledge. Before starting topic, first we are going to understand why is it important to have general knowledge. General knowledge is something that really helps us to grow both on personal as well as academic level. General knowledge helps to grow our confidence level and may prove to be some great help during some important events of our lives like interview, etc. You may start to talk to any person on any topic, but your knowledge is something that determines your conversation and your impression on the other person. A good knowledge of everything around always impress the people around you. Now, today we are going to learn festivals and their celebrations. India is a country of many people having different customs and different religions. But we Indians all live together in families and all the families live together in a society. Living together in a society encourages families to celebrate religious and national festivals together. The main religious and national festivals are their celebrations. Religious festival. Now, Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is a springtime festival that marks the traditional new year for Marathi and Konkani Hindus. People in Maharashtra and many other states celebrate the festival of Gudi Padwa as the beginning of the Hindu New Year. It falls on the first day of the month of Chaitra. On this day, people hang a piece of cloth on a raised pole outside the house. New activities are started on this day, as this day is considered as an auspicious day. Now, second festival which is celebrated in India is Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is celebrated on the 5th day of the waxing moon in the month of Shravan. Jyeshtha and Asad month is the time for flowering and fruiting of the new crop. At this time, the snake helps the farmers by destroying the rats nibbling away at their crops. So, we celebrate Nag Panchami where people pray to the snake for his kind help. Now, the third festival which is celebrated in India is Holi. Students, you are very much familiar about this festival and you all enjoy this festival very much. Holi is celebrated each year with zeal and enthusiasm in the month of March by followers of the Hindu religion. People forget their troubles and indulge in this festival to celebrate brotherhood. Holi is the festival of colors. It is one of the important festivals of the Hindus. On the first day, the Hindus light the holy bonfire and pray to God. On the second day, they throw colors on one another. They also spray colored water on each other. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Shravan. Students, when Raksha Bandhan comes? It comes in August. It is the festival of relationship between a brother and a sister. It lays stress on strengthening this bond. The brother promises to take the responsibilities of taking care of the sister, and the sister in turn prays for his prosperity and good health. On this day, she ties a rakhi on the brother's wrist, and the brother in turn gives her gifts. Now, Janmashtami. Student, Janmashtami come after the Raksha Bandhan. Janmashtami is the day on which Lord Krishna was born. On this day, a procession is taken out throughout the city. In Maharashtra, Dahi Handi means a pot with curd, is hung at a great height. And what happens? Groups of Govindas move from street to street to form a pyramid by climbing one over the other to reach the Dahi Handi. And what they do? They break it to celebrate this festival, such as Lord Krishna did in Gokul. The other festival which is celebrated in India is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most important Hindu festival. This festival is celebrated all over Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. During this festival, Ganesh idols are kept in homes and public places. They are decorated with a lot of lightning. Student, in this festival, you also bring Ganeshji at your home and you keep them for 11 days, right? Lord Ganesh is worshipped for 10 days. The festival ends on the 10th day, that is on the Anant Chaturdashi, when Navratri. The festival of Navratri is celebrated by the Hindus all over India in different ways. Well-lit pandals are put up everywhere and Goddess Durga is worshipped. Gujaratis celebrate this festival by dancing Garba or Ras. While in West Bengal and in South India, it is celebrated as Durga Puja. This festival is celebrated with great pomp and show. Now, Dashera. Dashera falls on the 10th day of the bright half of Ashwin. On this day, Ramji killed Ravan in Lanka. The effigy of Ravan is burned just as the evil is burnt out in each and every one of us. It is also known as Vijay Dashmi. Diwali. Diwali, the festival of light, is one of the most important festivals that is celebrated throughout the country. Diwali is one of the India's biggest festivals. Deepavali means rows of lighted lamps. During this festival, people light up their houses and shops with diyas. On the dark night of Ashwin Amavasya, Lakshmi Puja is performed. Everywhere, lights and lanterns are lit up. This festival is carried on for 4 days. Children burst crackers and the elders exchange sweets, greet friends and relatives. Ramzan Eid. This is the festival of Muslims. Ramzan Eid is an important festival of the Muslims. It is a festival that spreads happiness. After the month of Ramzan or the month of fasting, people celebrate Eid after seeing the moon in the sky. All the Muslims go to the masjid to pray. Christmas. Jesus Christ was born on the 25th of December. His birthday is celebrated as Christmas. It is an important festival of the Christians. They go to the church and pray. They make sweets and distribute them among friends and relatives. The Christians decorate their homes with Christmas trees. The children believe that Santa Claus will visit their homes and give them gifts. Now, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is known as the champion of the depressed classes. He was conferred the title of Bharat Ratna. Every year, his birth anniversary is celebrated on the 14th of April with great enthusiasm throughout the country. On this day, people gather and take out processions. They recollect his great works and praise his good qualities. Gandhi Jayanti. Many people struggled and sacrificed their lives to achieve freedom for the country. Students, you all are aware with this name, Gandhi Ji. Mahatma Gandhi's work was of extreme importance. His birthday falls on the 2nd October. So, this day is celebrated as the Gandhi Jayanti. On this day, programs like village cleanliness, self-dependence and other such programs are conducted. Now the last is Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikh religion. Guru Nanak's birthday is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti. The Sikhs go to the Gurudwara, pray and chant hymns. They also serve food to the devotees.